What? A wireless remote for the air jack. Aren't you already cheating? Wiring. Nice. You loose. I see maybe the hood thing. Nice. We're loose. Brake lines on the bottom. No, it's these brake cables right here. That is e-brake cable too. That's some stupid evap lines. Oh, it's just the evap gotta come off the body right here. That shit I cut.
Trying to cut it shorter or what?
No, it just bent down. There's one.
E-brake cable still?
Is that e-brake? I think you can do anything you need to do to him. There's a zip tie right there. Oh yeah, that we're good there. Thank you for being my friend. Put her up there. Look at that frame. What frame? There's no frame there. Any caddy buyers? Anybody buy caddies? Toyota 04?